Peking duck is one of those dishes we usually reserve for when we go to a restaurant, a Chinese restaurant. But these days you can find beautiful Peking duck at your supermarket and it makes a fantastic, speedy midweek dinner. So I've preheated my 2 Peking duck breasts, simply 190 degrees in the oven for about 12 minutes. And then I've just allowed them to cool down slightly because this is for a beautiful, simple salad. So I'll take them out of that delicious sauce, and I like the skin and all because there's loads of flavour. I'm just going to cut it quite thin because it's a warm salad. I don't want big chunks of everything to be refined, almost like a chopped salad. I like to cut the duck quite thin because the thinner it is, the more plentiful the salad's going to look. Into a mixing bowl, we'll add our slices and some of that sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons. And for some zing, some lime, look, this giant lime, cut that in half. We want to squeeze the juice out of half a lime. Finally, some cucumber and spring onions, but you can add whatever veggie you like in your salad. I just love that classic combination when you get duck pancakes. Yum-o. Okay, now we just have to give that a quick toss. We'll just coat everything in the lime and the Peking duck sauce. We are almost done. We'll pop that into our presentation bowl. You can see the sauce is just coating everything. It's not swimming in sauce because it is a dressing after all. So now for some crunch, some peanuts, just toasted peanuts that I've crushed and chopped. They go on the top. And that is a beautiful salad done in 15 minutes. Why do you need to go to the restaurant when you can make it gourmet at home?